Hello, good morning, and Jai Hind, dear students. Today, I'm again here with something very interesting. Today, we are going to learn about how to find squares of any number, square of any number ending with 5. Yes. And you know what? In just few seconds, if you will do practice, you can do this trick in 2 seconds, 3 seconds, or in 1 second only. So let's get started. Anytime, whenever you are having any number which is having its unit digit as 5. So what is the thing? What concept we can use to solve that question in just 2 to 3 seconds? So let me tell you how you can do it. Let us take 25. Suppose you are having 25 as your unit digit. Okay, so here you can see 5 is your unit digit in number 25. We have to find the square of this number. What we need to do is, definitely you all must know that whenever we are going to find the square of any two number, in that case either the answer will be 3-digit number or the answer will be 4-digit number. We don't know what digit, how much digit we are having in answer. So let us take one blank only. Okay, 5 is square. We all know square of 5 is 25. So this is our first part to solve the answer. We have to just find the square of the unit digit. So the square of unit digit is 25. In every question, the last two digits will be 25 only. Okay, if you are having question 225, 625, 925, if the particular answer is ending with question is ending with 5, let us take 975, 375, anything, the last two digit of that square is 25. Always keep it in your mind. Now what we have to do for the rest part of the answer, for that you have to move to your u2. You know what you have to do? You just need to go to its next number. What comes after 2? It's 3 only, right? Now, 2 into 3 will gives you 6, right? And that 6 you have to write in the rest part of the answer, that is 625. So this is how we can find the answer or the square of any question in just few seconds. Let me show you by taking one more example. Suppose that you are having a question 45. You have to find the square of 45. Okay? Again, I'm telling you, there are two parts in the question. So in the first part, we are just going to square it. 5 square will gives you 25. This is our last two parts of the questions. Don't forget it. Okay, and for the rest part of the answer we just need to find the next number after the number what we are having in unit digit. So the next possible number is 5. 4 into 5 we know very well is 20. So the square of 45 is 2025. And see how easily we have done. Let us take one more example. Let us take 65. So 65 square is what? Solving 65 using vertical method or without any Vedic Maths trick will be very harder, right? It will take time, but we know the trick. We all can do this very easily. So for that, 5 square we know very well is 25. That will be the last two digit of the answer. Okay. Now what we will do? We know that the next number after 6 is 7. So 6 into 7 will give you 42. Am I right? Okay. So what will be the answer? 4225 is the answer of your question. You must be thinking, is this trick only valid for two-digit number? So my answer will be no. This trick can be done for three-digit number as well. Let us find for three-digit number. Suppose that you are having You can take any random 3-digit number, but right now I am taking 105. Okay, so let us take 105. If you will find the square of this, definitely you know the drill. You just need to square 5, that is 25. Now the next number after 10 is 11. Okay, do the multiplication of 10 and 11. So we are having 110, which all will gives us the final answer. And yes, voila, we have got the result. In this way, you can easily find any squares. Okay, human brain. You all know that human brain is having two brain, that is left side brain and right side brain. Fix 25 in your one of the sides. Okay, suppose if I ask you question, what will be the square of 35? Okay, fix 25 in your mind. You know very well that whenever you are going to say the answer, just speak it out. Just speak it out 25. You have to do only one thing. 3 after 3 what it comes, 3 के बाद क्या आता है in a number system, that is 4. Repeat 4, just multiply 3 into 4, that is 12. Speak it out, 1225. 1225 is the final answer of 35 square. I hope so till now you have understood very well. So let me end my today's video, today's Vedic Maths trick with just one thing, one example. Let me find the square of 95. Okay. So 95 square means you have to just square 5, that is 25. What comes after 9? That is 10 only. Do the multiplication or find the product of both the numbers 9 and 10, and 9025 is what we want as our answer. Yes, the square of 95 is 9025. You can use the calculator or you can just use your vertical, the method what you know to find the answer. Okay, very important thing in the starting might be possible after knowing this trick. Take it could take some time. Okay, it can take 10 minutes, 10 seconds, 20 seconds to solve it. But trust me, if you will do practice, more practice, you have to train your brain, just train your brain. If you will do that, definitely you are going to solve this question in just 3 to 4 seconds, believe me. Okay, for now I'm going to give you one task. I'm going to just write out some numbers ending with 5, and you have to do one thing. You just have to use timer. Okay, please use timer for this homework. Just you can start your timer and check it out that how much time you are able to complete these questions. It might be possible in first question you could take 10 minutes, sorry, 10 seconds. In second question you could take 3 seconds, and might be possible in the last question you can easily do in 1 second. Okay, so you all will get motivated in this way and you will get more interest to solve the question using these tricks. So my first question as a homework is 115, 85, 45, and last is 50. Try to use this trick to solve this question. Seconds all the 4 questions. If you are able to do in 15 seconds, trust me, you all will rock and the people around you will get shocked. So with this, I'm going to end today's video with very and take care. We will meet again in our next video. Bye bye.